In the world of industrial manufacturing, every detail matters. Every surface, every tolerance, every finish is the result of a process that leaves no room for compromise. This is where the Bossi solution comes to life. The RTC 1600 system, combined with the AS160 grinding unit, is designed to handle complex machining operations on steel ball valves, including large dimensions, ensuring precision and continuous operation. At the heart of the process, the rotary table moves the workpiece smoothly and with maximum stability. Every rotation is controlled. Every operation is optimized to maintain consistent finishing quality throughout the entire process. The grinding unit automatically adapts to the valve diameter. Positioning is precise, and contact pressure remains uniform. The abrasive belt, the core of the finishing process, operates with continuous and controlled movement, ensuring constant material removal and uniform surface quality. Behind every movement, there is an intelligent system. The PLC control manages operating parameters, stores machining programs, and guarantees maximum ease of use for the operator. This means reduced setup times, increased productivity, and consistent quality on every single workpiece. Designed according to international standards and equipped with integrated safety systems, the machine ensures reliability under every working condition. Because in industrial manufacturing, the difference is not only about power, but about the ability to control it. Bossi, high-precision technology.